We are going to show you the unboxing of the column TV mount for small posts and small pillars. This box has two smaller boxes inside. They are referred to as step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is the column mounting plate. If you see the ratchet straps, they come with a protective layer and with a stainless steel ratchet buckle. This is the manual. So the ratchet buckle is stainless steel. It's good for outdoors. This is the TV mount itself, which then attaches to the column mounting bracket that we saw earlier. So the next step is we are going to mount this on a 6x6 post. If you have a gazebo, metal or wood, you can do this to mount. I did this by myself, but ideally you want two people to do this. Someone to hold the plate while you put the strap through the ratchet buckle and tighten it. So it's pretty easy. There's also detailed instructions. All you got to do is strap it around and insert it through that small little hole that you will find on the ratchet buckle, and then just tighten it. So as much as possible, you want the plate, this white plate, to be straight. So you can do that while adjusting it. So when it's tight, you can move it a bit and then make it straight. The extra strap, just turn it around or cut it off, whichever you prefer. I would just turn it around so you can use it for future use if you have a bigger post. Then we take out the nut, the wing nut at the top and the bottom. Bottom is just a normal nut. Then we put on the TV mount on the mounting plate. So you got a washer and the wing nut. You put it back on the top washer. You can just use your hand to tighten it. The bottom one comes with a little tool. You can use the tool, or if you have adjustable wrench, you can use the adjustable wrench as well. So once these two are done, it's pretty easy, straightforward install. Once that is done, you want to now put on the this is showing you the movement of the arm itself without the TV. Very flexible, nearly 360 degree rotation. So yeah, so the next step is putting on the vertical brackets. Just find the right screw in the right spaces to put on the vertical brackets on the TV. This is all included, the screws, the vertical mounts, and then now you want to just hook up the TV to the mount itself. So I did it alone, but if you have two people, someone can hold it so it doesn't move around too much. And after you put that on, there is a little safety screw that you need to put on. That's the safety screw that you need to put on so that the TV doesn't come off of its mount. On both sides, put that on both sides. So after that, you're pretty much good to go. You can really articulate this bracket all around to whichever position that you like. Once the everything is done, if you have cords, make sure that it's run through the cable management channel and tied up neatly. You don't want anybody to trip. So after that, the mount itself, you can adjust it. If you need a specific movement, you can hold it at the back. Each of them rotate 360. Each of the joints rotate 360. So choose which arm you want it to be permanent and which you want it to move. It also has a pivot, meaning that if the angle is not good, you can pivot it left and right 5 degrees. So yeah, so this can mount on a aluminium post or wooden post. If you want some protection, you can put a rubber mat underneath. It is going to work. And if you have any questions, put it down here. I'm more than happy to answer those questions for you at any point of time. Thank you and enjoy.